Hi, I'm Joni from One Dish Kitchen, and today I'm showing you how to make a 2-ingredient chocolate cake. This cake is truly amazing. You just need an egg and melted chocolate, and you can make this decadent gluten-free treat. It's so easy too. So I'm going to show you how I like to measure chocolate. So this recipe calls for 2 ounces of melted chocolate. So I like to use a scale. And let's see. And I'm using chocolate chips for this recipe, but if you do use chocolate chips, make sure you use good quality chocolate chips. So 2 ounces is about 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. And if you're using grams, it's 57 grams. So I've got a pot of barely simmering water here, and then I'm gonna put a sturdy bowl right on top of it. You just wanna make sure you have a bowl that fits, but the bottom of the bowl doesn't touch the water. I'm gonna pour your chocolate in here, and you're gonna just stir it until the chocolate begins to melt. Okay, so it's been about 3 minutes and we have just perfectly melted chocolate to use in your recipe. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 1 egg and separate it. So we have the egg white here and the egg yolk right here. And we're gonna use the egg white first. So we'll pour the egg white into a mixing bowl. And we're gonna whip the egg white until you get some soft peaks that form. And this may take about 2 minutes. So you have to have some patience with this recipe, but trust me, it comes together and it's delicious. Okay, when you take your whisker, your mixer out of the eggs, you can see how you have some soft peaks when you run your blade through there or run your whisk through there. So when that's ready, we're gonna set that aside. Then we're gonna take another mixing bowl and we're going to add the egg yolk and the melted chocolate to the bowl. And I like to just use a whisk for this part. Just mix it together really well. Okay. Next, we're gonna take the whipped egg white and we're gonna just very carefully, slowly fold the egg white into the melted chocolate. And to fold, it's a lot different than stirring. If you stir it really quickly, you're gonna break down the whipped egg, and so it's not gonna be as fluffy. So just fold it, which means just kind of very slowly mix it together, just like this, until all of the ingredients are combined. It almost looks like a chocolate pudding or a chocolate mousse. Okay, then we're going to use a small ramekin, and I just greased the inside with a little bit of butter, and we'll pour the batter into the ramekin. Okay, and we are going to put this in the oven, 350-degree preheated oven, and it's going to bake for about 20 minutes. So we've just taken the cake out of the oven and it's beautiful. And what's always nice is to add a little dusting of some powdered sugar on top. And then dig in. Look at that, so beautiful. Enjoy.